What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today we have some welding to do. I started quite early today and I will show you what I have already done. I have already cut this piece away from that frame, and as you can see I have already a new piece going there. It's not welded yet, but it fits quite well. My only worry is that this old beam or frame, it's a little bit corroded from here, from the bottom, so this wall is a little bit thinner than these three, but it should be okay. Next I will put the time lapse on and some music for the background so you can see what I had to do to get here. And next I will do some tags with my welder, and then I have to check that the beam is in line, and after that I will finish my welding. Oh, I have to admit that I'm getting tired. I'm sweating like, quite a lot. But I will show you what I have done here. It will take about a week to clean up this mess. But now I have painted the first layer of that paint. And tomorrow I will put the second coat, so it will be not perfect but good for me, and I hope good for the MOT. And then I have to, on Monday or Tuesday, I have to find some new screws for those for the floor panels, so I can fit the floor panels, and then I have to check the lights. So I hope I can pass the MOT for Christmas. That's my plan, but you never know with these things. But the brakes are okay, and now I have fixed the corroded beam, so every big thing should be now fixed. And I have And I have done something else. As you can see, there is a winter tires on Peugeot and also in Volvo. My plan was to put these. These used to be my V70 Volvo's winter tires, but they are so wide that they fit in the front but doesn't spin in the rear. If I put in a right way, this surface, this tire will hit the springs, and I even turn the the wheel, but then this part hits the brake caliper, so I can't use these wheels in this Volvo. It's a shame, because my plan was to use these steel wheels in this car. But my plan, I have also charging the battery. My plan is to test this engine in this setup and ignition system properly before I will put those on. So tomorrow I will have a quite interesting test drive. My plan is to set up a special stage to my home road. I will start from the mailbox, and there's a pile of sand in the middle of the yard. I will round it once or twice, and then I will accelerate in the front of this garage. So that will be a quite short special stage, but it will be a special stage. I probably first I will do test drives with the Peugeot, and then I will try to hit that time with the Volvo, but we shall see what kind of times we will get. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away. And if you haven't hit the bell, do that also immediately. Thank you very much, and see you soon.